Hey gamers, it's Kat here. So today I'm doing a get ready with me. Kind of stained eye primer. So I was on vacation. I haven't filmed any videos. I was gonna film a video right before I went on vacation. I went to Colorado to go skiing. My whole family is snowboarders and then I'm just the skier. You see those things where it's like, oh, I only wear concealer, but then they put concealer like all over their face? That's what I do. You can probably see how staticky the video looks. I got some souvenirs, as in I got clothes. I've been skiing since I was 11, I think. I feel like this concealer is like kind of gray. I've seen Chainsaw Man twice now. So I watched it when it was airing, and then I watched it, like I rewatched it with my sister and my brother. Kind of weird looking. So when I first got into cosplay, I found cosplay out through like a Mekon cosplay or something on TikTok. My first ever cosplay was Sayaka Mizono. I wanted to be different. I don't know. Wig was so bad. Next cosplays were Mekon and Hyoko, and then I think I did Yumiko from Kakiguri, which I actually don't have that cosplay anymore because, oh my gosh, I should probably show you guys. I'm donating 2 bags of old cosplays. Okay, so I'm gonna clean up the mess that I made with my eyeliner with black eyeshadow. It's hard to get the corner of my eye with just eyeliner, so I'm covering the little skin, like the space between my eye and the eyeliner with black eyeshadow. Fixed it all. I call my eyeliner arrow eyes. I need to stop dropping my mirror. It's like broken. Final Fantasy Crisis Core is only $40 right now, and it's only $60. So I was like, you should buy me it. And then my cousin actually bought me it, and I was very surprised.
Me? Gungaga.
Concealer all over the container. I put like the outfit on and stuff before I put lashes on and then finish the look, you know? This is eyelash, no eyelash, and here's the tie. There we go. I'm gonna finish this eye though. Bald cat. Okay, I put the glue on and now I'm putting on mascara. I actually just ordered new lashes too because I had a gift card. I think we're good to go. And we're done. I think I'm gonna do like another outfit for her though, but yeah. Okay, so my brother actually works at Taco Bell. Also look, I'm in a different outfit for her right now. My brother works at Taco Bell and he's gonna bring me some Taco Bell, so I'm gonna put on some pajama pants and get ready to eat Taco Bell. So cute. So like as a cosplayer, you will over time get a lot of like one thing. So I'm going to show you some things that like cosplayers have a lot of. I've been cosplaying for 3 years, I think. So I have a bunch of plain white flannels, especially long sleeve ones. This is a whole basket of just white buttons up, not flannels, button ups. And then my Attack on Titan thing is in here. It's the thing. It's obviously not very good quality, but you know. Next is just random pieces of string. I don't know why, but like, you know how like some characters you have to like tie a little bow around their shirt? Yeah, I have a bunch of these in different colors. Like I got red, white, blue, black, everything. Okay, so next thing is definitely not a surprise, and that is wig caps. I have a whole collection in here. I got unopened ones, I got blonde ones, and I got black ones, and then I got a bunch of unopened ones. And I have like wig cap pins too, all different colors. It's crazy. I don't know why. Well, I do know why, because every wig comes with a wig cap, and I bought a lot of wigs, and I've gotten rid of a bunch of wigs, so. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys like all my new posters and stuff, new additions to my room. So this Rem poster is new, Rem and Ram. Nezuko poster, okay. Miku poster, not the Vocaloid, just like the character, like the anime character. We got Taiga, and I don't even remember his name because I haven't seen that show in so long. In my bed, we have Atticus. the channel mascot. My bed is so messy, but I got this poster. It's Yashiro and Hanako. So fun fact, my brother works at Taco Bell and I cosplay like pretty late at night, and he gets home from work pretty late at night. So shoot, I just spilled a bunch of cheese. Anyway, today I'm gonna be promoting Taco Bell. I really like Taco Bell. Okay, so I didn't like Taco Bell that much until my brothers started working. Like, both my brothers work at Taco Bell, because I don't know, but they started working at Taco Bell, and then they started like bringing me tacos home, and now I'm like really into Taco Bell. But my favorite fast food is Chick-fil-A. So yeah, but I like Taco Bell too. Taco Bell, how many times did I say Taco Bell? Anyway, I'm gonna eat my taco. Here are the pictures. Don't forget to follow my Instagram. It'll be linked in the description. I'm trying to figure out a way to fix my lighting so that the video won't be so like grainy. Like, you can see the quality looks kind of bad, but it's just because my lighting is so horrible with like all the stuff I add. So yeah, okay, bye guys.